Hi everyone, welcome back to the Automatic Addiction channel. The Honda Prelude, once a beloved sporty coupe, is making a comeback after more than 2 decades. Known for its agile handling, sharp styling, and high-revving engines, the Prelude has remained a symbol of Honda's affordable performance cars. Now, the 2025 model promises to blend its classic charm with modern technology. This new Prelude won't just be a nostalgic rehash, it's set to fill the gap left by the discontinued Civic and Accord coupes. The sleek concept car showcases a bold, low-slung design with sculpted lines and a modern, aggressive front end. It combines contemporary styling with the dynamic driving feel that made the original so special. Under the hood, the 2025 Prelude will feature a hybrid powertrain, likely borrowing from Honda's existing models like the CR-V, Accord, and the upcoming Civic Hybrid. With a 2.0-liter engine paired with an electric motor, the system produces around 204 horsepower. While that's respectable, fans hope the Prelude will offer more performance. There's even speculation that Honda could offer a more powerful system, possibly sharing elements with high-performance models like the Acura NSX. Front-wheel drive will likely remain standard, but there could be an all-wheel drive option for enhanced handling. Sadly, the manual transmission, a favorite among enthusiasts, may not make the cut as Honda focuses on hybrid powertrains. The Prelude will also feature a tech-forward interior, inspired by the Civic and Accord, with a user-friendly infotainment system and advanced safety features. Expect a range of trims catering to different preferences, from comfort-focused to performance-oriented. Set to launch for the 2025 model year, the Prelude is expected to start around $31,000, with higher trims reaching up to $38,000. This price point makes it an appealing option for those seeking sporty performance without the high price tag of more exotic cars. The 2025 Honda Prelude promises to bring the spirit of the classic coupe into the future, offering a mix of style, performance, and modern technology. We can't wait to see it on the road. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and exclusive content on automotive innovation. Thank you for watching.